Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Good evening and welcome to ElectroDrive News. I'm your host today, diving into the world of electric vehicles and sustainable mobility. China's electric vehicle industry has been making headlines for years with its impressive growth and market dominance. But can we really learn from China's playbook when it comes to developing our own EV sector in Europe? According to Francesca Ghiretti, an economic security researcher at RAND Europe, the answer is a resounding no. Francesca argues that the conditions that enabled China's EV industry to thrive don't apply to the EU, and nor are they in pursuit of the same objectives. The European Union has introduced tariffs on EV imports from China, but these duties are set to expire in just 5 years. Meanwhile, Chinese companies have been increasing greenfield investments in the EU, as well as in countries like Morocco and Turkey. So, what's going wrong? Francesca believes that foreign investment alone is insufficient to support the EU's automotive sector. While programs like Horizon Europe Partnership, BAT4EU, and the Battery Booster focus on production and innovation in the battery sector, an area where China currently leads, they're just a drop in the ocean compared to the scale of Chinese investments. The European Commission is considering resilience standards, which include requiring assembly plants to hire EU workers rather than foreign ones and prioritizing regional suppliers. But Francesca says that these measures must lead to positive spillovers in the EU, more jobs, more innovation, and a stronger local industry. The new Industrial Action Plan for the European automotive sector is another welcome development. It aims to address red tape, improve coordination of approach and resources, and enhance incentives for battery manufacturing and demand. And it also tackles low demand for EVs by establishing a system for exchanging best practices on demand incentives among member states, with the potential to develop these into EU-wide incentives. So, what's the takeaway from this? China's narrative of success cannot serve as an appropriate blueprint for the EU. Instead, we need to clearly define our own priorities and stick to them. We need transparency and predictability in order to attract investments. The time for decisive action is now. That's all for today's episode of ElectroDrive News. Thanks for tuning in.